Hey, I'm Hannah. Today I am with General Manager Justin Malone at Sapona Golf, Swim, and Tennis Club in Lexington. Justin, golf, swim, tennis, that's a lot of offerings. Can you tell us a little bit about the history of Sapona, the offerings you have today?
Absolutely. So Sapona has been here since 1968. It's designed by Ellis Maples, who's also affiliated with Forest Oaks and Greensboro, Grandfather Mountain. He's got a lot of nice portfolio of golf courses. It's truly unique because of the layout. We have some rolling hills. There's some interesting elevation changes here, but the greens, we have zoysia, and they are a great putting surface. As far as the offerings, we've got different classes of membership. We've got a full golf membership for both individual and family. We've got a non-resident membership. We actually offer a weekday membership for some of the seniors that want to just play during the week. And then we also have a very large social membership base that includes the pool and the tennis courts. And we're in the process of getting quotes for new pickleball courts here at the club. We've got a nice pool. We've got roughly 65 pool memberships right now, but that also is included with the normal membership of the club. But for folks that don't play golf, they can also do just the pool.
This is a great amenity for the residents of Kyndall Run. Kyndall Run is one of Royal Homes of North Carolina's newest neighborhoods located in Lexington, North Carolina. This neighborhood offers a small-town living lifestyle that is in such demand today. The homes are built by Royal Homes of North Carolina, so you know you're getting a lot of home for the money, and you'll find these homes have all the niceties that you're looking for, including 9-foot ceilings, custom cabinetry, wood floors, and even granite countertops.